Hi there, students. To coerce. Coerce. To coerce is to pressure, to intimidate, to threaten somebody so that they do what you want, so that they do something that they don't really want to do. Okay, so to coerce, to get something by using pressure and threats. So to coerce is the verb, coercion is the noun, and you could probably use coerced as an adjective as well. So this confession was coerced. It was obtained by intimidation. So to coerce somebody, to compel them to do something that they don't really want to do, by using fear, by making them afraid, making them more afraid of what you're going to do than actually doing the thing that they don't want to do. So to force somebody to do something. So he was coerced into signing this document. They said they would kill him if he didn't sign. The gangster coerced all the local shopkeeper into paying insurance money to him every week. If they didn't pay, he would smash up their businesses. In Parliament, you have whips who work for a political party, and they coerce unwilling MPs to vote with the party. Boris Johnson recently tried to coerce some MPs who didn't want to vote in favour of Brexit by saying that if they voted against Brexit, they would be expelled from the Conservative Party. Yeah, so to coerce somebody, to try to get them to do what you want and something they don't want to do, by threatening them, by frightening them, so that eventually they do it. Okay? To coerce, to persuade somebody to do something by using fear. To compel somebody without regard to their wishes. Okay, so to coerce, using coercion. This comes from Latin, co, together, and assere, to enclose, to retain, to hold together. So, to coerce, what about formality? I think this word is slightly formal, maybe a 6 out of 10. I guess you could use it in an informal conversation. Maybe something like, they forced me to do it would sound better informally though. To coerce, a really good word, coercion, another really good word for your exams, yeah? To show the wide variety of vocabulary that you can use. Okay, so to coerce, coercion. Slightly formal. You could use it informally, but be careful. Okay, so feelings cannot be coerced. I feel what I feel, and you can threaten me as much as you want, but it's not going to change my feelings. Yeah? Coercion doesn't work in that case. So, to coerce, to pressurize somebody, do it or I'll hit you. That's coercion. Okay? So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To coerce with coercion.